seconds. On Friday, June 19th, I'm headlining at Dynasty Typewriter in Los Angeles, California. Last time I was in LA was 6 years ago, and John Stamos started a global pandemic so that he could change the timeline and get on a roast of Kevin Hart with Tony Hinchcliffe. That's right, I'm coming for Uncle Jesse. I don't make the rules. Joining me is going to be Danny Dunn, Curtis Cook, and Hannah Rochline. That's Friday, June 19th at Dynasty Typewriter. See you there. All right. Yep, that only killed 45 seconds. Cool. Sweet.